Hey guys, my name is Chris and I only trust Eurofed with my cars. This is my C6 ZR1 that we just did a fully built motor on. 2650 Kong blower and supporting mods with the weld drag pack. It was quick before, but now it's insane. This is my 2012 Lamborghini Aventador with a 1R underground racing kit. It makes 1500 horsepower on VP 109. This is my new C8 that I just picked up the other day, and I brought it here for the Eurofed Touch. So I just finished up my secret GTR build here at Eurofed. We're shooting to be one of the biggest street race cars in the nation. I started off just being a regular customer here, and now I feel like I'm family.